As the number of COVID-19 cases is steadily increasing across the nation, ICMR has been continuously revising its strategy in testing and treating the cases. Here are 3 things to know about ICMR's testing and treatment strategy. 1. The tests used. 2. Hydroxychloroquine tablets. And 3. Plasma therapy. 1. The tests. Currently, the ICMR approved tests are 2 kinds. 1. RT-PCR and 2. The antibody tests. RT-PCR or reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction test is the test that checks whether the RNA of the virus is present in the samples collected from the patients. So out of the 2, RT-PCR is the test that directly looks for the virus. 136 government laboratories and 56 private laboratories had been identified to process samples collected from across the country. ICMR says they have a testing capacity of 18,000 tests per day. One more is the antibody tests. The antibody test detects, as the name goes, antibodies in our body as a reaction to the presence of the virus. But since it analyzes our immune system's response to the virus and not the presence of the virus itself, it is not as reliable as an RT-PCR test. But this one is quicker to give results and is cheaper. So the ICMR strategy has been to use this antibody test in areas where a high number of cases are being reported. Now let's assume you have been tested positive. What's the treatment? The bad news is that there is no particular treatment as such because this is an entirely new type of virus that none of us in the world have ever been exposed to before. So all that remains is treating the symptoms. So you might be given a combination of paracetamol and other drugs to relieve you of the symptoms. This leads us to the second thing that you need to know about. That's hydroxychloroquine or HCQ for short. Primarily used in the prevention and treatment of malaria, HCQ has been promoted by the US President Donald Trump as a cure for COVID-19. However, the studies haven't been conclusive. In India, ICMR has advised the use of the drug only as a preventive healthcare measure among both health workers and other direct contacts of positive cases who have not been showing any symptoms typical of COVID-19. Now the third thing is plasma therapy, which is being explored as one of the possible treatments. In Wuhan, the epicenter of the coronavirus, it seems to have shown some positive results. Under convalescent plasma therapy, the blood plasma of recovered coronavirus patients is used to treat critically ill COVID-19 patients, the ones who are on ventilators and have stopped responding to conventional treatments. Recently, multiple states, including Kerala, Delhi and Karnataka, got the ICMR nod to begin clinical trials of plasma therapy. While ICMR has been leading the response against the coronavirus in the nation, it hasn't been free of criticism. From the unaffordability of the tests to the failure of acquiring test kits, not testing enough, and continuous denial of community transmission, the ICMR has been receiving a lot of flack from health reporters and others. Now all we have to do is wait and watch whether ICMR strategy has succeeded in containing the novel coronavirus in India.